Yes, ma'am.
Let me quickly finish it, then I'm coming to the discussion. So last class, these are the discussion have I done over here? No, I don't think so. Right? Right? Okay, let me explain quick. Let's do it. So here the first question says that a plus b plus c is equals to 9. A, b, b, c, c is given as a 10 and a square, b square, c square we need to find. We know a formula where all these are present. The formula is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, okay, plus 2bc plus 2ca. In this formula everything is present. Think about it, a plus b plus c is present in this formula. You can put 9 over here. Okay, on the other side a square plus b square plus c square is also there, which we want to find, and plus 2 abbcca is there, so you can take out 2 common. It will just become ab and only bc and only ca. In the next step you can put the value of abbcca over this, that is 10. Okay, and hence you will be able to find a square b square c square from there. Okay, let's do the next one. Here x plus 1 by x is given as a square root of 5. This is given as a square root of 5. We have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. We also have to find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. See, think about it. Whatever we are having in hand, we are having in hand x plus 1 by x. That is given as a root 5. Here only if you will do is squaring both sides. If you will do is squaring both sides, you will be getting x plus 1 by x complete square, and the other one, other side, it will be root 5 complete square. We will end up getting, if you will apply the formula of a plus b whole square, you will be getting a square plus 2ab. 2ab will be only 2. Think about it, x and 1 by x will cancel. X and x you will be able to cancel out while writing 2 into a into b plus b square, okay, is equals to just 5. And from here you will be able to find x square plus 1 by x square. Now by using x square plus 1 by x square, you will be able to find from here. From here, by using this x square plus 1 by x square value, you can find x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Again you need to do is squaring on both sides. Let me tell you what will be the value. The value will be 3. Okay, check it. From the above one you will be getting x square plus 1 by x square as the only 3. Okay, again you will, one of the result we got already, still we need to find the other result. You will be doing is squaring on both sides over here, and you will be getting the other result as well. Got it? Let's do the next one. This is very simple to write it in p by q form. Everyone has already done this one. 5 to the power x minus 2, 5 to the power x minus 2 into 3 to the power 2x minus 3. Now 135 also we can factorize. If you will factorize 135, it will be 5, 2 times 10, 5, 7 times 30. Uh, yeah, 5, 7 times 35. Then 3, 3, 3, like 27 means 3 to the power 3. So basically we are having here 3 to the power 3 and we are having here 5, just 5 to the power 1. Now both side you can compare the exponent of 5 with the exponent of 5 and exponent of 3 with the exponent of 3, and you will be getting the value of x. Yeah, x you will be able to find. The same value you will be getting by taking any condition. Let's do this one. x equals to 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. If x equals to 2 is a 0 of this polynomial, that means when we will substitute x as a 2 in this polynomial, at the place of x, when we will substitute 2, okay, our final answer will become 0. That's what the meaning of 0 is. 0 of the polynomial means such a value of x which will make the polynomial 0. You can put it over here, your final answer will be 0, and you can see clearly that we'll be getting the value of k from. Okay, let's do the next one. Suppose a line segment AB and CD intersect at O in such a way. Let's draw the figure. AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD, maybe this is AB, okay, maybe this is CD, intersect at O in such a way that AO, this AO is equals to OD and OB is equals to OB and OC are same. Prove that AC is equals to BD. Let's prove AC is equals to BD. Then we will be talking about parallel or not. Okay, so we'll be taking triangle AOC, we will be taking triangle BOD, and we will be able to prove that these two triangles are congruent. I can recall that everyone has solved this question. Okay, everyone has done this, so I'm not explaining this one. However, I wanted to explain the previous few questions. If you want me to do number 6, please let me know. Shall I do it over here? See, it is clearly given that AO is equals to OD, given already. Okay, and OB, OC also. So OC is here, OB is here. And apart from that, vertically opposite angle you are having, angle O over there, angle O over here is same. Angle O over there, angle O over here. However, we are not supposed to write angle O like this. Okay, please write the proper name. Vertically opposite angle. And why? You can see side angle, side congruency. These two triangles are congruent with each other. If these two triangles are congruent with each other, then of course AC and BD will be equal, okay, by CPCT. But AC may not be parallel to BD. Let's check whether it is parallel or not. So we ended up proving that AOC, triangle AOC, is congruent with triangle BOD. That's what we have proved just now. From here we can say, if I will mark, okay, angle A from AOC, angle A, this green color angle is equals to angle B from BOD, angle B from BOD, this, okay, and angle C from AOC. Let me highlight it. Angle C from AOC. Let me check the sequence I have written properly or not. OC, OB. No, the name of the triangle is not correct. Let me write the name properly first. Okay, then only CPCT and all will work. See, AOOD. AOOD, the sequence is not correct. The proper name, I believe it will be AOC congruent with DOB. Let me check. AOOD, yeah. OCOB, yeah. Angle, yes. This is the proper name. Previously, the name which I have written for showing congruency, that name was not correct. Okay. So let me mark angle A from here is equals to angle D from here, not B, D. Okay. And angles B and angle C are equal. So yeah, these two lines are not parallel with each other, because angle A and angle D are same. See, angle A and angle D are equal. We are having this figure. If you are not getting over here, we are having a figure like this, where this angle and this angle are same. This angle and this angle are same. So how can we say that these two lines are parallel? It will not be parallel. Think about it. Corresponding angle or any angle you are not able to show, it will not be parallel. When it will be parallel, then maybe one of this will be equals to one of this, then we can say. then we can say alternate interior. But now we cannot say. Now we cannot say when this way the angles are same, then these two lines are not parallel. Got it? We have to write it since the angles are same in such a way that we cannot declare that two lines are parallel with each other. However, these two lines are equal with each other. Now we will be starting today Heron's formula. Yeah, Heron's formula. Let's start. So Heron's formula. Heron is the name of a mathematician. He has given one formula to take out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Are we talking about the formula which you know already? That is 1 by 2 into base into height? No, I am not talking about that formula. This is completely new formula we are going to discuss over here. Now, we already know, okay, he has given one formula to find the area of the triangle. Area of any triangle, okay. For that, he has given a formula. But the question is, why we need another formula? We already know area of the triangle formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. What's the use of a new formula? If only, like, if one of the, like, if we are having a thing in our life which is just doing the job, then why you will go and buy another thing, okay, or different type of thing, right? If your work is getting done, then what's the need of different formula? Yes, we need it. We need it. Why? Because when till now you were having triangles in such a way. You were having triangles in such a way where height used to be given. Height used to be given. However, always we it's not possible for us to find the height. What about the case when height will not be given in the question? Then how we will find the height? Because this formula requires base and height. Suppose we are talking about three triangle, that is a scalene triangle, okay, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. One by one, we will be taking the example and we will check that what if we don't know the height? Is it possible mathematically to find the height and then to find the area by using our best, the older formula, okay, which we know very well. Let's think about it. Suppose I'm giving you a triangle, a scalene triangle. Okay, here one of the side, the name of the triangle is ABC. AB is, suppose I am saying it is 5 centimeter, AC is 6 centimeter, I am saying that BC is 7 centimeter. Okay, and find the area of this triangle. For finding the area, first thing you will think about, let's find the height. Because AB is not the height, AC is not the height. BC you can take as a base, or any side you can take as a base. Okay, now we are talking about the base, so you should be clear which one is called as a base. If you will be dropping a perpendicular like this, AD, then BC will become base. Okay, if you are taking AD as a height, BC is the base. If you are taking CE as a height, then AB is a base. Base means on which you are dropping the perpendicular. Base doesn't mean that it has to be horizontal only. No. Base means the side on which you are dropping the perpendicular. That side is called the base of the triangle. So if I have dropped the perpendicular from the vertex C, we will be calling CE is the height and AB is the base of the triangle. is the height and AB is the base over here. Okay. Now if you will be dropping the perpendicular, height you will be dropping, okay, from the vertex B like this, and you will say this is 90 degree and altitude you have drawn over here. Then let me tell you that this BF is the height and AC is the base. Base means on which the side on which you are dropping the perpendicular. Base doesn't mean that it has to be a horizontal line. I have seen class 10 student also, whenever I ask the base, they say that BC is the base. No, base doesn't mean ground level. Base doesn't mean the horizontal line. Base means any side can be base. Just you need to be assured that where is the height. Height is falling on whatever side, that is the base. Okay. So we were talking about the finding the area of this triangle by our favorite formula, that is 1 by 2 into base into height. We don't want Heron's formula anymore. We are happy with our formula and we want to find the area by using this formula only. But a problem is getting created. Base we can take any side, but how will be finding the height? We can drop a perpendicular from the side, from the vertex A. Okay, from the vertex A we can drop the perpendicular and we can name it AD. We can say here it is making 90 degree and altitude we have dropped over. Now again the question is, how will we finding AD? Is it possible to find AD? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Let me clear. It is not possible. So till now purposefully you have got such a question where height used to be given. Okay. However, such scenario also exists. We are finding the height is not possible. Okay. If height is not known, then finding also is not possible. What about the isosceles triangle? There also it is not possible. So let me take one example. Suppose we are having an isosceles triangle. I am giving it a name PQR. Okay. Here side PQ I am giving 6 centimeter. Side PR also I am giving 6 centimeter. And side QR I am giving 8 centimeter. Okay. Now here also, if we have to find the area of this isosceles triangle, our favorite formula will not work. We won't be able to find the height over here. We will be able to find height over here. You will drop a perpendicular. Okay, just drop a perpendicular and just give it a name PM or anything and think about it. Think about it. Just now we have completed the triangle chapter. Congruency is crystal clear to all of you. Are you able to see that this triangle and that triangle are congruent with each other? Can we say these two are congruent with each other? We have just dropped an altitude, a perpendicular, an altitude 90 degree we have dropped. Why? For finding the height. How to find the height? Don't know. But then we got to know these two triangles are congruent, right? Without even thinking about congruency, let's think about it, whether finding the height is possible or not. Okay, so we can take this one as a right angle triangle. Okay, this side is known as a 6. This side we can say, yes, congruency will help. Okay, because you you can see this two triangle are congruent. Why it is congruent? This side same. Okay, what else? What else is same? 90 degree over here, 90 degree over here. Okay, so 90 degree arc, hypotenuse same, h, and any other side is same. Yes, the common side is same. RHS congruency is working over here. Tell me yes or no. Yes or no. Yes or no. Can we say that in this two triangle, RHS congruency is working? Both are having right angle, right angle. In both the triangle, hypotenuses are same. And one common side is also there. So RHS congruency is working over here, right? If these two
Yes.
triangles are congruent, then we can say that this side and this side will be of equal length. That's why I started the discussion of congruency, so that this blue one and that orange one, these sides are equal. The total distance I am telling 8 centimeter, and if this one and that one is same, that means 4 4. Both are 4 centimeter. Yes or no? Do we need it
Yes.
for finding the height? Oh yes, we need it. For finding the height, we need it. Now we can focus on our right angle triangle, and easily by Pythagoras theorem we will be able to take out the height. Getting it? I'm starting from the very beginning. What we started doing over here. I have given you an isosceles triangle 668, and I told you to find the area of this triangle. You started using the previous formula 1 by 2 into base into height. Now you understand any side can be taken as a base. Height you need to draw it. So you have dropped the perpendicular and you are telling that this is the height. So height length you need to know over here. Okay. You need to know the length of this height AD. Now you are thinking how to find this AD. Now all of sudden you notice that you are having a right angle triangle over here. Okay. And maybe by Pythagoras theorem you will be able to find the height, but then only you realize that you don't know BD. Then you have taken the pause. Now you started thinking about everything you know till now, whatever you have learned, and from there you realize that this triangle and this triangle are nothing but congruent triangle. So of course this much and this much distance will be same. If the total distance is 8, then this will be 4 and this will be 4. Okay, and now you will be able to find the height. Yes or no? By Pythagoras theorem, your one of the side is 6, another side is 4. You have to find the height. Pythagoras theorem, let me remind you, it says that hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Here, if you will substitute AB as a 6 square, if you will substitute BD as a 4 square, you will be getting the height 8. Even if it will be a proper whole number or will be in the like irrational number, completely fine, but we will be able to find it at least. And once we are done with getting the height, easily we can find the area. Let's find the height AD square. Okay, if this 36, here it is becoming 60. AD square I am keeping over there only. AD square we are getting 36 minus 16, that means 0. 3 minus 1, that is 2. AD we are getting root 20. Root 20. At the place of height I am substituting root 20. What is base? And I have explained you in the very beginning that the side on which you are dropping the perpendicular, the complete side, okay, of the triangle, that's called the base. So the base is BC, and that is 8, not 4. The complete side of the triangle, that's area we are finding, okay, into 1 by 2, and we got the area. So for isosceles triangle, even if we don't know the height, we will be able to find the height by using the concept of congruency. But that was not possible for a scalene triangle. Think about it. You will be dropping a perpendicular over here AD, and it will not be same. This triangle and this triangle will not be congruent. That's why we don't know how to find the height over here. We are clueless over here. Okay, so you got to know that sometime we will be able to find the height when it is isosceles triangle. And let me tell you, for equilateral triangle also similar way you will be able to take out the height. but not for a scalene triangle. Okay. Hence, we need a magical formula which will work always. And hence, the mathematician Herons has given us a formula that if you are having a triangle MNO, if you know the side length, suppose this is A centimeter, this is B centimeter, suppose this is C centimeter, then I am having a formula without even worrying about height and all. You can use my formula, and the formula is the formula for finding the area of triangle. Just a second. Yeah, area is under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. If you are not understanding what is a b c are the length of the side. Okay, what is s? S is the semi perimeter. A plus b plus c is called the perimeter of this triangle. S is the semi perimeter divided by 2. We also call S as a semi perimeter. Again, I am clearing it that perimeter of the triangle means whenever we are talking about perimeter, that means we are just talking about the boundary of any shape. Okay, and whenever you are finding the perimeter, you have to just add all the sides. Same thing we do for rectangle also, and same thing we do for squares also. Okay, from there only you have got the formula. Perimeter means just walking along the boundary of any shape. Okay, if we are having a triangle, perimeter means this side, this side, this side, all three sides, length, summation, total. If you are having a rectangle, perimeter means length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, and from there only a ready-made formula came that 2 times length plus breadth. That means 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. Okay, perimeter means we must understand that perimeter means just we are adding all the boundaries. That's it, the length of the boundaries. Okay, so this is the formula we are having, a magical formula given by Herons that find s at first. How we will be finding s? By taking the summation of all the sides and divided by 2. That will be s. Then inside the root, do s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and s at front, and do the simplification. You will be getting the area directly with the help of the sides. Okay, you don't even have to worry about the height. Is it true? Let's check for our isosceles triangle, this triangle. Is it true or not? Let's use Heron's formula over here. Okay, I'm just scrolling up. Here we have taken a triangle where one of the side is 6, another side is 6, another side is 8. Okay, we were having a triangle 6, 6, 8. Okay, we have found the area already. Already we are having the area in hand by using that older formula. But we want to check by new formula, are we getting the same area? See, area must be same. New formula, old formula, these are the two different formulas, but our area has to be same since we are talking about the same triangle. Okay, different triangle and not same. So let's use the formula. The previously at first I have taken one of the side 6, another side 6, another side 8. We are having the area already. Area we have found by older formula 1 by 2 into base into height. Already we know the area. And what was that? What was that? That was 1 by 2 into 8 into root 20. We can write it as a 4 root 20. If still you want to simplify this 20, 20 means 5 into 4. 5 into 4. From 4, 2 will come out. So 8 root 5 is the area. Okay, square unit. We already know that 8 root 5 is the area by older formula. We want to check that Heron's formula is also going to give us the same area because we are talking about the same triangle. So Heron's formula says for finding the area, at first find the S. S means A plus B plus C by 2. Now if you are getting confused which one to take A, which one to take B, which one to take C, let me tell you, any side you can take as a, any other you can take as a B, any other you can take as a C. It doesn't matter at all. Okay, so 6, 6, 12, 12, 8, 20, 20 by 2, that is S is 5. Now Heron's formula is for finding the area. Learn this formula. Okay, this is such a magical formula. It will always work. Whether you are a scalene triangle, you are having isosceles triangle, you are having equilateral triangle, you are having right angle triangle, you are having any triangle. Doesn't matter. Okay. So 5 S. The formula is, I am writing the formula again over here. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, S I have written over here, S minus A, S minus A. I said to you, you can take anyone as a, wait, yeah, you can take anyone as a, any other as a B. So I'm taking 6, again 5 minus 6, again 5 minus 8. Why I'm writing 5? It is 10. No one is telling me also. It is 10, right? Not 5. 20 by 2 is 10. Let's do here also the outside. It must be 10, not 5. Okay, our S is 10, not 5. Let's do the simplification. Here, one more thing I am teaching you today, how to do the simplification over here. You will be writing 10 over here, 10 minus 6, 4, 10 minus 6, 4, 10 minus 8, 2. Now please don't do the multiplication. Please don't do the multiplication. However, you have to break it more to check which numbers are in pairs. Still, already I can see 4 and 4 are, this one is in pair. I will take out one 4. Okay, and 10 and 2 is remaining in the square root sign. Still, I am not going to multiply them. Please don't do the multiplication. 10 means 5 into 2, and one more 2 is there. Okay, 4 is sitting outside. Again 2 is in pair. So rather than multiplying all of them and then you are going to do the factorization to check which numbers are in pair, the way you used to solve the square root in your previous class. Okay, please don't do the multiplication. Directly you can, whatever you are having, something multiplied with something multiplied, this is 10. Whatever you are having, something multiplied with something multiplied with something multiplied with something, try breaking it more and checking the pairs. Okay, don't do the multiplication. So 1 2 is coming out. 32 root 5, let me check, am I missing anything? Because that time we have got 8 root 5, right? Just a, our answer must be same. Oh yeah, no one is telling me. See, I don't know. See, 2 and 2, this is just 2 will come. Only 1 2 will come out and 4 is there. 8 will be there, right?
Yes, I'm audible.
Yes. Yes, you are.
And I was not audible before.
Okay. Yes, we are getting the same area. This formula or that formula. We are talking about the same triangle. Area has to be same. And yes, can you see? By older formula 8 root 5. By new formula 8 root 5. Okay, so when we will be using older one, when we will be using new one, see, please use the new formula, the Heron's formula, when you know all the sides, side 1 side 2 side 3, all the sides you know, then directly you can go ahead and you can use this formula for finding the area. You don't have to worry about the height, you don't have to think about congruency and all, that was just the backup. Okay, this is the new formula. When we know a triangle where all the three sides length is given, we will be using this formula. When we know the height of the triangle and the base, then we can use the older formula, and both formula will give the same result. Okay, So from now onward in this chapter, we will be using this formula, Heron's formula, that is for finding the area under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Why will be using this formula? Because in all the question, all the three sides will be given. Okay, and every time we will be doing the same thing, we will be finding the area. Let's do few questions from here, but let me take a pause. From last few minutes I'm just continuously I'm explaining and explaining and explaining. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Arhan said yes. What about you, Hanan?
Yes,
Farhan?
ma'am.
Sarah? Getting it? Let's continue. Let me give you few questions. So now you got to
And
know.
this
Yeah.
and this chapter has already been done in your school.
Okay, in your school it's done and you know it very well, right, Arhan?
Yes, ma'am.
This chapter is very simple. It is very simple. In all the question, you just have to find the area by using the same formula. Okay, nothing new. But you just have to understand how you will be doing the simplification. That part must be strong. Otherwise, every question, same formula you are going to use. Let me give you few questions. Okay, perimeter is given as a 32. You should understand perimeter is just the sum of all the sides. Okay, you are having a triangle like this. One of the side is given 8, another side is given 11, the third side is not given. However, the perimeter is given. That means sum of a plus b plus c, that is given as 32. Any other side as a b, and you can focus on finding c at first. Then you can use the formula and you can find the area. Please do it now. Yes, everyone, please do it. Then we'll be discussing.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, Arhan, what you got?
Ma'am, 8 into root 30.
8 into root 14.
130.
14 you said, right?
No, ma'am, 30.
30. Okay. Yes, rest of the student. Are you getting the same? See, from here we can find C value. That will be A plus B plus C is 32. A is, let's take A as a 8. Let's take B as a 11. And C easily we will be able to find from here. Okay, 11 plus 8 is 19 plus C. That is 32. We will be getting C as a 32 minus 19. Okay, 3. And here 113 we are getting as a C, the third side, the unknown side, that is 13. We know A is 8, we know B is 11. Again I am repeating, ABC, if your ABC and my ABC is not matching, completely fine, our answer will match. Okay, so let's use the formula for finding the area by given by Heron's, okay, Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. But S is S is what? S is A plus B plus C by 2. Again we will be adding? No. Already we know A plus B plus C is 32. I am taking the data from here. A plus B plus C already we know that is 32. By 2 will be doing. If even if you will add, you will be getting 32. Whatever way you are doing, it's perfect. So 3 1 times 2. 2 1 times 2, 2 6 times 2. 16 we are getting as a S. S is 16. 16, 16 minus 8, 16 minus B, 16 minus C. Okay, we will be getting 16. Okay, 8, here 5, and here 3. I told you, please don't do the multiplication. Rather check which numbers are in pair, which can be taken out from the root. So 16 is a perfect square number. 4 times 16. 4 will come out. 8, let's break this 8. We will be having 2 into 2 into 2 for 8. 5 we cannot do the factorization. 3 we cannot do. Now only one more pair we can notice from here, that is 2. That means 4 into 2 will remain outside, and 5 3 2, this will what, this is getting stuck. So 8 30. Yes, 30 you said, Arhan, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, square unit, please write the unit properly, so it is square centimeter. Everyone getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Let me give you few more questions. A triangle we are having. Okay, I'm not writing it, I'm just showing it in the figure. One of the side is 32 meter, another side is 22 meter, and another side is 40 meter. Okay, name of the triangle is ABC. Please find the area from by using Heron's formula. Yes, what are you getting?
Ma'am, I
I'm
got
sorry.
128 root 3 as an answer.
120. Yes, Arhan, what you got?
I'm sorry.
5, 6.
Ma'am, it's not 128, it's 256 root 3.
Let me check. 16 is a perfect square number. 4 will come. 48 means I think 24 into 2. Okay, you can do your own way. I'm just doing it this way. Yeah, 48 means 24 into 2. So 24, 24, 124 will also come out. 1 4 is already there. And 2 into 8 is getting stuck. 16 again 140. So 4 into 4 into 24 will be there, right? We'll be getting 16 4 times 64. 4 carries 6. 16 2 times 32. 30. Is it this one? Sarah, please check your calculation. Anyone who has done? I'm getting 384, but you need to check it. Okay. Yes. 384 will be get. Let me know, are you getting the same?